Hello, my lovely ones. Let us pronounce this word here. One, two, three, four. Don't try and pronounce it once. Like this number one, now let us bring it out. We have Agart. Don't call it once. Let us guide you step by step how you can pronounce this kind of word. Now, to pronounce this kind of word, first of all, we told you the rules is that you merge consonant with vowel and pronounce. Now, you observe our vowel that we have in this word. How many vowel do we have there? The first one is this A, 1. Another vowel is what? This O, 2. Another vowel is what? This A, 3. So you have 3 vowels there. Now, there's something you want to bring to your notice. Whenever you are pronouncing or trying to pronounce and you find it hard. Now, if you observe that vowel is beginning the word, like vowel like A, E, I, O, U, either of it, any of it, are beginning the word. Observe, listen carefully. What you are going to do, you will check after that vowel, do you have any other letter? If that letter is a consonant, after that letter, do you have any letter? If that letter that come after, this is it. This is the first letter, which is vowel. The other one is consonant. This double arrow, they are like one. You can't pronounce 2 times. The sound are still 1 arrow. Okay? Even though there are 3 arrows, they still sound 1. Now, after this vowel, we have consonant, which is arrow, arrow. Now, after this consonant, do we have another vowel? That is what you have to note. Take note. Now, we have a vowel after this consonant, which is O. You now find out that this arrow, arrow is going to pronounce this O. This is it. So, if this arrow, arrow is going to pronounce this O, it means that you are going to call that vowel alone. Are you understanding the thing? You are going to call that vowel alone. So that our first syllable, because you are sharing, you are pronouncing by syllable, our first syllable will not be what? Ah. Because A sound ah. Our second syllable will not be from here. This arrow O. O. The reason why you are putting it here is because we still have another consonant, which is G. This consonant is going to join with this A to pronounce both of them. Now, if you are joining this G to this A, this NT, what about it? You are not going to join anything. You are going to put another line here. The reason is because there is no vowel in the middle of NT. I can pronounce NOT or N. I can pronounce it. Okay, there is no vowel. Since there is no other vowel, you join that remaining consonant to the last syllable, which is this NT is going to join GA. Are you together now? So we now have how many syllables in total? 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. Now let us pronounce. The first syllable is what? Ah. Say it. Ah. Second one is what? Oh. Say it. Oh. The third one is what? Gant. Say it. Gant. G is ga. NT. So Gant. Say it. Gant. So we have ah. Oh. Gant. First one is ah. Second one is oh. Followed by Gant. So that is for that. We move to the second one. Let us write it out. Endeavour. Now, how do we go about this? You observe the vowel. How many vowels do you have there? We have E, we have EA, we have OU. Right? Now, the rules is that you join consonant with vowel. Now, if you check it, the word is not beginning with consonant, it's beginning with vowel. So how do we now join this? How do we pronounce this? Now, if you observe very well, we have vowel, and after the vowel, we have a consonant. After the consonant, we also have another consonant. If you check, this consonant, this D, can take care of EA, can join with this EA and call the sound out. Okay? Now, if this D can pronounce EA, it means we are going to join this EN together. So our first consonant is going to be EN. Then our first syllable, rather, our second syllable will now be DEA. So you are going to put another straight line here. The reason because this V can call OU. Then you can join R because there's no other vowel. So you have 3 syllables. Then the first syllable is now what? Let's pronounce it out. It now E sound E, S sound So EN is going to give us N. Say it. N. Say it. N. So the second syllable is now what? Dear. Again. Dear. Say it again. Dear. Now the third one is now vo. Again. Vo, which is V-O-U-R, vo. So the first syllable is N. Second, dear. Third, vo. Let's go together. N, dear, vo. Again. N, dear, vo. Again. N, dear, vo. That is for that. The third one, we have E-X-A-G-E-R-A-T-E. Now, how do we go about this? Also, you check. This is our first vowel, which is E. We also have another one, which is A. We have another E. We have another A, then E. Listen to this. Now, this EX, this word now is like this. This one that is beginning this word with this E and this X, how are we going to pronounce it? You observe that after this X, which is consonant, we have a vowel which is A, which means that after it we have G. Now this G can join with this E to give us G. Okay? Now, since this G can pronounce this E, this S will pronounce this A, which means we are going to call this E alone. So our first syllable will be E, then second syllable will now be what? Za. Okay? Now, third syllable will now be what? G. Then fourth one will be what? Where will you put it? Is it here or here? I want to ask. Is it here or here? Because we have three syllables. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's supposed to be 4 syllables. Now we are going to put it here. The reason why you're going to put our straight line here is because any word that ends with E, if you are pronouncing, you don't pronounce the E. Okay? But if you are spelling, you are going to indicate it. Check any word that ends with E. You don't pronounce the E. But when spelling, you indicate it. Exaggerate. Yeah, will not be what? R-A-T-E. But if you want to pronounce, you pronounce with this point. And in our last class, we have told you that any word that ends with E, you use the letter sound. Since this word ends with E, to pronounce this R-A-T-E now, this A will be pronounced as A, not A. Go and watch my video, the one I posted last. I said it. Any word that ends with E, the vowel that comes before it will be pronounced as the way you call it as letter. You know, we have vowel, we have A, E, I, O, U. So the way you are calling it A, you call it as A. So exaggerate, not exaggerate. I understand this thing. Not exaggerate. Is a rule. Okay? You can't call it rat. Because any word that ends with E, the vowel that comes before it, like this vowel now, you are going to use the letter sound. Okay? The letter sound. So it's called exaggerate. How many syllables now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go together. Exaggerate. I understand the thing. Now we'll go to the fourth one. We have I-N-E-V-I-T-A-B-L-E. Don't call it once. Okay? Don't rush and call it. Now what do we do in this? The first, our vowel, we have I, we have E, we have I, we have A, we have E. Now how do we go about this? If you check, we have I-N. Abi? Vowel, consonant. Vowel. Consonant. Vowel. Now, after this I, we have N. Okay? If you check, this I and this N can call himself. The reason is because this E, this vowel here can go again with this one. I understand this thing. And meanwhile, any word that starts with I-N and I-M, they are called special. In fact, don't even share it. Just call them. Okay? Any word that starts with I-N, I-M, you call them once. Now, this one that have I-N now, it's like an extension. They added it to this word, E-V-I-T-A-B-L-E. So they added it to, because they added it, they're going to call it once. So I-N, generally, we know it as what? In. So this one is separate. It's another rule. I-N is in. So we are now starting. The method you have to concentrate on is this E-V-I-T-A-B-L-E. Is what you have to concentrate in. Now, how do you go about this? This E-V-I, this is it. is like a fresh word. Okay. Now, when we want to pronounce this one now, we can find out that our vowel is starting it, right? Vi. This one, if you this Vi now, when you join it together, they can take care of themselves. So we have Vi can stay, then Ta can stay, Ble, then this E can call itself. So to share this word, we are not going to have it as the first label will not be what? In. There's the extension, we call it separate first. In. Then this E, because this V can call this I. So this V can call, this E can call itself, can pronounce itself. So we have in, then Vi, V, Ta, Te. Then in our last class, we also talk, one of my teachings, that any word that ends with Le sound as U. Okay? So go and watch it and see. So Ble, Le sound as what? U. So Ble will not be what? Bu. So this one give us what? We are going to put it here. So we are not going to call it Bli. No. So you have in vite bu, not inevitably. Okay? So go and watch my video I posted. You will see what I told about any word ending with Le. So this first one is arrogant. This second one is endeavour. The third one is exaggerate. Fourth one is inevitable. Again, arrogant, arrogant, endeavour, exaggerate, inevitable. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow his account if you have not. For more videos like this, thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.